What is a felony time waiver? The United States Constitution gives everyone who faces criminal charges the right to a speedy trial underneath the Sixth Amendment. In California, what that means for your felony case is that you have a right to a preliminary hearing on your charges within 10 court days, and you have a right to a jury trial within 60 calendar days. A preliminary hearing is essentially the first opportunity for the prosecutor to put on all the evidence and witnesses against you. At the hearing, the judge will determine whether or not there's enough evidence to hold you to answer on these charges. Now, your right to a preliminary hearing within 10 days means that within 10 court days, you'll know whether or not there is enough evidence to hold you for these charges and take you to trial. Now, thereafter, you have a right to a jury trial within 60 days of your arraignment. Waiving time, or a felony time waiver, means that you are waiving your right to a preliminary hearing within 10 days, or you're waiving your right to a jury trial within 60 days. Now, there are some advantages to waiving time for your preliminary hearing or for your trial. For starters, consider the fact that the prosecutor has been sitting on your case for a while. Law enforcement already knows the witnesses, they already know the evidence against you. They knew these things when they're building the case just to file these charges. On our end, on the defensive side, we don't know a lot of this information until your arraignment, or even a few days thereafter. Waiving time on your preliminary hearing gives you and your defense attorney more time to prepare for your strategy at preliminary hearing, to investigate the witnesses and the evidence on your own. Waiving time on your jury trial, again, has the same advantages, gives us more time to prepare. If you're going to trial on a felony case, maybe you want to contact some expert witnesses, get some surveillance footage from some security cameras, all these other things that we have to do. So a felony time waiver just gives us more time to prepare. However, if you go forward with your speedy trial rights and the prosecutor is not ready and they don't have a good cause to actually take you to trial within 60 days or hold your preliminary hearing within 10 days, it's a violation of the Penal Code under Section 1382. Under Section 1382, defense counsel can actually make a motion to have your case dismissed if your constitutional rights are violated. So that's one advantage of moving forward on a speedy trial basis. And there are also advantages of waiving time as well. So if you or a loved one are facing felony charges, please reach out. We're here to help at the Nieves Law Firm.